Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook T-bone in an air fryer. First, ensure your T-bone steak is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful crust. Next, season both sides generously with your favorite steak rub, including salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, for maximum flavor. Finally, preheat your air fryer to a scorching 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes to ensure it's ready for cooking. Now it's time to get that steak cooking. Carefully place your well-seasoned T-bone into the preheated air fryer basket. For a medium-rare steak, you'll want to cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes in total. Remember to flip the steak halfway through, around the 5 or 6 minute mark, using tongs. This ensures both sides get that perfect, crispy exterior and cook evenly. Achieving your preferred doneness is crucial for a perfect steak. The best way to do this is with a reliable meat thermometer. For a juicy medium rare, look for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a medium steak, aim for 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Always check the thickest part of the steak, avoiding the bone. The final, and arguably most important, step is resting your steak. Once cooked to your liking, remove the T-bone from the air fryer and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. Loosely tenting it with foil helps redistribute those delicious juices throughout the meat. This resting period ensures a tender, flavorful steak. Finally, slice against the grain and serve immediately to enjoy your perfectly air-fried T-bone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.